Imagine waking up to find your company fined millions overnight. Here's the shocking part. It's not hackers. It's compliance failures. Cybersecurity compliance is evolving faster than ever. Real companies like Microsoft, Google, and IBM are racing to meet new global standards. But that's not all. Governments are tightening digital laws, and businesses that ignore them face unbelievable risks. Think of compliance as the hidden backbone of trust. What happens next will surprise you. AI-driven audits, automated risk detection, and real-time monitoring are becoming the new normal. Breaking myths, compliance isn't just for big corporations. Even startups must follow frameworks like GDPR, ISO 27001, and SOC 2. Here's the warning. Ignoring these trends could destroy reputation and revenue. The amazing twist? Companies embracing compliance gain investor confidence and customer loyalty. Discover how industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce are adapting to this powerful revolution. Next, imagine a future where AI predicts compliance breaches before they happen. This hidden transformation could completely change how businesses protect data. Cybersecurity compliance isn't just a rule book. It's the secret weapon shaping the future of digital trust. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights. And tell us, which compliance trend do you think will dominate the next decade? And why?